kill somebody. This flow got body. In the dance, I'm back to they hold somebody. With the gang, we tryna play it cool, but this get bubbly. On a wave like Jet Li's, get me, know what I'm sipping in the morning, Teddy. Bring heat to your door, not indirectly. Select me. Beat you mad, I ain't riding it gently. Way too sexy. Big bad boss, bust them up. Crocodile teeth, fluff them up. Just meet her, come with the entourage. Money in the sky, toss them up. Come against me, gon' cost a lot. Written down bars off the top. You and your gang are off the lot. Walking in your boo, waving like. Mash up the set the light. Sipping on. Like what can I say?
Anything or anything, aye. Anything or anything, aye. Sipping on it. They are with me generals, aye. Anything or anything, aye. Anything or anything, aye. Sipping on it. They are with me generals.
Two sides ready to give it their all in what promises to be 90 minutes of end-to-end football. Stay with us for every kick of the ball.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. My name's Guy Mowbray. I'm joined by Sue Smith in the commentary position, and we have action from the final game of pre-season on the way for you. It's Manchester United and they take on Napoli.
Yeah, both teams will be looking to finish the tournament with a win. It'll give them that momentum going into the season. There's been loads of fans here supporting them, so hopefully they'll put on a show for them here today.
It's all a bit too crammed in the thick of it here. Here's how Manchester United line up. Andre Onana is in goal. Victor Lindelof starts alongside Harry Maguire as the centre-backs. And leading the attack is Cristiano Ronaldo. Agonisingly close. On he goes, terrific. The lead now. And that is a quality bit of goalkeeping. And the forward progress continues with a good ball. Could be now. One-on-one. You've really got to hit the target.
Oh, I think he could have placed that guy. It's really close, but just couldn't find the finish.
Well, it doesn't matter whether the ball's in the air or on the floor. It can be just about impossible.
I think they threw a goal.
Oh, really should have scored. Chances don't come much better than that. Shaw. Ronaldo. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Behind. What a chance! That was a chance to open the scoring.
Well, that's a huge opportunity to take the lead, and he just doesn't compose himself. You can see the frustration on his face.
And the attack is over. That's not a good challenge, to put it mildly. And now all eyes on the ref. Osimhen. Just needs the composure now. Only the keeper in his way, and it's a bad miss.
It's not that far away. It's a decent effort. I just really lacked composure with the finish.
And the hard work pays off. They won the ball. Now, this has to be. Surely. And they've scored to take a lead that's more than warranted. Ball gets running again with Manchester United keen to react to that setback. might come. It was looking good, but not all the way through.
Oh, it looks like there's an opening.
And that is superb goalkeeping.
That is such a crucial save. He shows really quick reactions. It's a really good stop.
They've got the corner away. This has to be. Here it is. It's in, and it was always going to go in, with nobody in the way. Casemiro. And that will keep the attack moving nicely. The effort shut out. It's nearly time for the first half to end. A first half that United will want to get out of their system.
Well, they certainly won't be happy with that first half performance. They've lacked real leaders in that back line. They look disjointed and easy to break down. But there's still a long way to go in this match, and the next goal is going to be crucial.
Hang on, what about this? And that's not a bad save at all. Militano. There's a chance for the breakaway here. And that might have ended up being better than it has. And some might have given that, but on we go. A chance to cross here. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing. And we're off for the second half. Militano. Chance to deliver into the box. There's a chance for them to go now. Nice pass, and on they march. This to get back into it. And he's done really well to keep that out. Spinazzola. Ivica Kvaratskhelia. Magnificent defending. The will they or won't they discussions can now end because the transfer has now been confirmed. Exciting times.
Yeah, I think it's exciting.
Well, maybe something happening here. Leonardo Spinazzola. Could be a chance to break here. In behind, can he finish? at the end of it all.
Right, so really quick counter-attack that was. They moved the ball with pace to get them up the pitch so quickly. Created a great opportunity. Just couldn't quite put the ball in the back of the net.
Well, of all the players we're watching today, would you agree that he'd certainly get good marks?
Yeah, it's been a good first-half performance. Obviously with the goal, but you do wonder with the number of chances that fell to him, whether he could have had 2 or 3. He does look a real threat, though.
Some good work to win it there. Osimhen, genuine chance. And that has gone over the top by quite a distance. Fernandes. Great chance here. There it is. A lifeline in this game. And surely momentum is with them now. Incredible. Maybe go once more after a goal that gives Manchester United fresh hope. Matteo Politano. They're being afforded too much space here. Sent into the middle. And the defence tidies up nicely. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Osimhen. And denied by a top-draw tackle. Could be something on. Now, this has to be. And he's being urged to shoot. And the keeper's done really well to keep that out. Now, can he get the cross in? Cuts it back. Unable to find anyone with that. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Ivica Kvaratskhelia showing good wit with this attack. And nicely and in. And a magnificent save. Hope's still alive.
Yeah, that's a great save, Guy, but time certainly isn't on their side. They'll be hoping that they can create another chance before the end.
Anthony. There's a chance for the breakaway here. They need to get bodies back. Surely the equaliser. Well, that was probably the right pass, but hit with too much on it. Di Lorenzo. There's a good amount of freedom here. This has to be. They could have had a great chance. It's offside, but not by much at all. That's a nice forward-thinking pass. Got a chance. And the team that's down to 10 are back level again. A huge moment in the game. So it's now 2-2 as the ball gets rolling again. This looks really good. Could we see a winning goal? His chance to win it! Anthony. So the referee blows the final whistle and it's finished honours even. Sue, what did...
Hey, Peg, don't even talk to me. I keep on silent. More than 2-4 hours a week. Tell about that we silent. Hey, you got that trick, look at me, yelling in my sheet. Hey, Peg, 밤낮 어시가 banging. 너네가 전부 버려. 우리 거 small like cocoa butter. 다 틀어도 나오는 게 없어, 밤은 줬어. 계속해 오르는 size, more than XL, 바와나 XL. City to city, energy 쉽게 큰일 나, 1, 2, 3. Yo, I'm at that party. 섞이지 못한 내 태도는 언제나 너무나 dirty. Catch these flagrants, but these refs can't tell me nothing. 너는 뭘 원해서 그렇게 따라해, sit your down. 같지도 않은 걸 어떻게 너가 해, 나는 못해 너랑 공감. 영혼 없는 그 춤사 위 따위 버려. 같이 뛰어놀 거면 놀고 말 거면 말할 때 뭘 그리 따져 like 내가 태워 버스 붙여지는 이미 이 universe You can hang with us 넌 가서 너를 가자 first 얘네 아마 노는 법을 모를걸 Low key 얘네 깨어있는 척만 아주 무엇도 모르고 low key 얘네 듣는 척만 나는 막피 getting cocky low key 사진 찍으러 온 애들이지 내가 하는 건 쟤네들이 다 kick out break them like Kit Kat 저렇게 춤추는 애들 찐 octane 눈치 보지 있어 시간 낭비 그만 나 deal get out 여기 호텔이면 early check out 우리 친구들은 너를 take down 마지막 할 말에도 peace out 여기 음악은 too vibrant 여기 음악은 좀 구리 Guess it better be silent 역시나 음악을 혼자서 듣는 게 낫지 나 원래 춤 안 추니 아니 추긴 하지만 The beat is born 가지고 맞춰서 손을 까딱거리다가 왜 스타일이 I just wanna know who the DJ is 야로 무대 여기 어디 김치 피자 탕수육 I know I can't tell Where you wanna take us to London, A, Baltimore We have landed nowhere 난 모르겠어 어딘지야 지야 music 지야 party 지야 influence 익숙해지지 않아 아직 더더 못하시면 깊게 rapping on you call it art it's no giving they be acting like they never invited it
Look at me, I'm not dancing. Look at me, I'm pretending. Look at me, I'm not dancing. Look at me, look at me, I'm not.
The magical feeling of match day and the desire to lose yourself in the moment, that's what today is all about. A meeting of two talented sides ready to go at it in front of a capacity crowd, not to mention the eyes of the wider football world. Don't go anywhere, all the action next.
Well, hello and thanks for joining us here at Wembley. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, joined by Sue Smith, and we've got the first silverware of the season. Up for grabs with the Community Shield. It's Manchester United versus Manchester City.
Yeah, the final game before the start of the season. It's an opportunity to win silverware, so I'd expect a real...
He's in here. Oh, it's a penalty. It's going to be a booking as well.
Yeah, and it had to be. It's a poor decision. He'll know that.
And it's there. First blood in the derby. And just how important could that prove to be? Fantastic celebrations here. And that's where it ends, with possession lost. Haaland, what a chance here. Oh, top quality goalkeeping to deny what looked a likely goal. De Bruyne. Probably a chance. United with the ball again. Grealish. That will be a throw-in now. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Foden. Neither side doing a good job of looking after the ball. De Bruyne. Nicely played. And that's a frustrating call for them. Mightily close.
I thought he was in there. It looked like he timed his run well, but the flag's up. He'll be so disappointed because that's really unlucky.
Could be a chance. And the ball is still alive. The move breaks down. That's a real shame. De Bruyne. Switched on and ready to intercept that. Promising looking attack from City. Cristiano Ronaldo. City have possession again. Erling Haaland. Phil Foden. Now, can he get the cross in? Goes on past the defender. Already leading by one. And they...
Moleque é brabo. Moleque é brabo. Aí, caralho.
Contrato assinado com a putaria.
Delivered into the box. They could still do something here. And the keeper happy to see that sail comfortably over the bar.
Hat-Trick! 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 Hat-Trick de Ronaldo! 3-0!
The attack is over. Really good defending. Position to cut out the pass. City trying to get things moving. Someone needs to get onto that. That really ought ball has changed hands. Sloppy in possession.
Hat-Trick! 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 Hat-Trick de Ronaldo! 3-0!
Inside now.
That's it. We expect him to score from there, but he comes from nowhere.
And that will do it for the first half at Wembley. And the second half is underway, with Manchester United having work to do. Now to go a long way with this. Now it needs a good ball in. Bit of a squeeze on here. Really good interception to take the ball. Could be something on. Oh, offside. That must have been close.
It was so unlucky. A really tight ball. Great movement, so he'll be frustrated. But it was the right decision.
The will they or won't they discussions can now end because the transfer has now been confirmed. It's a foul for sure. A second yellow? Maybe. Fernandes. Onto Cristiano Ronaldo. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Ronaldo. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Remember to check back in with EA TV soon with more Premier League coming up. United face Fulham. All the action live on that one. Ronaldo. Just needs the composure now. It's got to be. Oh, I don't believe it. A sensational challenge. EA TV is your home of the Premier League, and we've got more on the way as City face Chelsea. Another one for your viewing diary. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? City come away with it. Erling Haaland. Weighted beautifully. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Fernandes. Well, Jeff Shreves is right in the mix down there, and he can tell us more about the injury now.
He landed really heavily on his shoulder there. You can see the discomfort he's in. He's a tough guy. I think he'll carry on.
Cheers, Jeff. The hard work pays off. They won the ball. Foden, and the opportunity has gone.
What a chance that is to extend the lead. Just can't find the back of the net.
City recovering possession well. Brilliant challenge, but it's not away. Great chance here. promising break ends there. This has to be. Maybe now. A really good chance missed. Will that prove costly?
What an opportunity that was. So late on in the game as well. He's got to take that.
Fernandez. Switched on and ready to intercept there. Alvarez. The cross comes in. Well, it did look good. So did the goalkeeper in claiming it. Bruno Fernandes. And the flag goes up for offside.
Well, it's sloppy, isn't it? Just needs to hold on to it a little longer. Give him time to get back on side.
Haaland. Oh, they've lost it. Oh, a challenge we used to call a professional foul. Surely a yellow card. That's a booking. They're going to have to be really careful now.
Yeah, they've got to calm down. You understand how much they want to win the game, but they can't afford any more cards.
And that's it, the final.
We've got some questions for you. Thank you for answering the questions.
The magical feeling of match day and the desire to lose yourself in the moment, that's what today is all about. A meeting of two talented sides ready to go at it in front of a capacity crowd, not to mention the eyes of the wider football world. Keep it right here for live coverage on EA TV.
We're at the magnificent venue that is Old Trafford, Manchester. I'm Guy Mowbray, and I'm joined by Sue Smith on the gantry, and it's time to... To begin another new season of the Premier League, full of the usual highs and lows. It's Manchester United, and they play Fulham. Found nicely and in. Oh, it's still in there, and he might have made the save, but he also made it easy to follow up and score. He has to do better than that.
Number 16, Vinicius.
Ronaldo. He takes it on. Oh, superb save. He's done so well to keep that out. Played into the box. And the attack is over. Really good defending. United being afforded too much space here. United... Now, this has to be. Must be. And it's there to equalise. Settle in for the rest of this. A great game already. Smith Rowe. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. United being afforded too much space here, but it will now be tidied up and cleared away. A turnaround in possession, excellent positioning. Looking good. Now what comes next? Chance for the lead. Oh, what a tackle to break up the play. It's played in now, and they need to clear it here.
Concession Walker, please go to the ticket office to meet Nathan. Thank you.
Went for it, but not a lot going for it. It's a miss of some margin. Jadon Sancho. Sancho. Sent into the middle. Oh, that lacked all the required control. It's a disappointing effort. Wilson. They've given it away here. United with wit here. Good challenge and a throw-in to come. Fernandez. It's ended up closer to the crowd than to his teammates. little sloppy on the ball there. No time to dwell on the ball. Smith Rowe. Vinicius. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. Could be something happening for them now. And that will keep the attack moving nicely. The effort shut out. It's a corner, and a chance maybe to go in front. And here it comes. Oh, it looked as though the header was goal-bound. That's a really good stop. And behind for a corner, pressure still on. And a cross that could be dangerous. Well, comfortably off target in the end. That'll be a goal kick.
Yeah, I think you have to credit the defending there. Just enough pressure to put him off at that vital moment.
Trying his luck. A goal that gives them the advantage. Ball gets running again with Manchester United keen to react to that setback. A bit of a clumsy challenge, and the ref blows for a free kick. Missed by quite a way, and would have had to have been special to score.
Way off target, and that's a good position to test the goalkeeper. Just put it in a good area and let someone attack it. His teammates certainly won't be happy with that.
Oh, a chance here. And the goalkeeper keeps him out on this occasion. Well read, possession. Plenty of space to attack now. To begin another new season of the Premier League, full of the usual highs and lows. It's Manchester United, and they play Fulham.
Well, you can just sense the anticipation in here, can't you? The fans know that they've got a special team capable of at least the Champions League place. The home form needs to be strong, so a result here is a must.
Here's how Manchester United line up. Andre Onana is in goal. Harry Maguire plays alongside Victor Lindelof in central defence. And leading the attack is Cristiano Ronaldo. Players waiting in the centre. Cut back nicely. And he's glanced at the pitch there, but only himself to blame, really, for a blaze that's missed. Here's the Fulham team sheet.
Yeah, it's the same formation, and I'd expect both teams to commit players forward. So the two holding midfielders, they're going to be key from a defensive perspective.
It had to be, but the defending ensured it wasn't. Could be a chance. No problem at all in keeping that one out. It doesn't matter whether the ball's in the air or on the floor. It can be just about impossible to stop Cristiano Ronaldo. What are we expecting to see from him today, Sue?
Yeah, his form's been fantastic, hasn't it? 3 goals in his last 3 games. His confidence must be sky high. They're going to have to mark him tightly today to try and stop him.
Switched on and ready to intercept there. Reed. Harry Wilson. And that's where it ends, with possession lost. Challenge there that will surely result in a card. Only half the job done there. Oh, what a goal! He took a real chance going for it like that, but boy, has it paid off! Oh, he didn't get that right. There could be punishment coming. Smith Rowe. Reed. Some good work to win it there. Looks a good ball. Too much weight put on the pass. Goal kick. Let's find out a bit more about the injury from Jeff Shreves.
Real concern for the bench now, because it looks like he landed with his elbow underneath his body, and that's causing him some serious pain at the moment.
Cheers, Jeff. And the work pays off as they get the ball back. Smith Rowe. On he goes, terrific. Having a look. Nicely won. Great chance here. Well, that's as easy as it gets for a goalkeeper. Jadon Sancho. Working hard to win it back there. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Oh, a great chance. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Good ball in behind. Here it is. The crowd encouraging him to take it on. Brilliantly kept out.
Oh, just look how he closes the angle down, makes it really difficult, and that is a top save.
And they've got it back now. Puts the ball into the box. Great save, that's what he's there for.
I just don't think he can believe that that's not got in, but he's met his match with the keeper. His superb reactions kept that one out.
Oh, really nicely held. Made absolutely sure that the corner has come to nothing. This is a good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? And it's gone wide. Might have been a slight miscue there. Wan-Bissaka. Could be dangerous. This has to be. In it goes. Level once again. What a game this is turning out to be.
Well, here we can see it again. You do have to feel for the keeper. He's left completely exposed at the back. And he never really had much of a chance. It's poor defending, you have to say.
Goal for Manchester United.
And that will do it for the first half.
Ronaldo.
And we're back underway for the second 45. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. They could get caught out on the break here. Can they take advantage? Fernandez. And still danger here. Well, nothing doing for them in the end.
You just wonder how long before they take the lead here. They're certainly piling on the pressure. They just need that clinical finish now.
Ronaldo! Well, in that sort of position, you simply have to get it closer than he did there. Good work to win it there. An attack of genuine promise now. He takes aim. You can feel the frustration after that. Possibly should have hit the target. Fernandez. It's been a more than decent performance so far from Cristiano Ronaldo. He's certainly been difficult to contain.
Well, he kept playing until the whistle, and there's no final time to score. He'll just be hoping that he can carry that momentum on into the second half.
Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Well, it was the right idea, but it's just been overdone in the end. Diogo Dalot. Good challenge and a throw in to come.
The possession shows just how close the game is. Brilliant attacking display from both sides. But I'm sure the manager will want to improve defensively. It's been easy to carve out chances.
And perhaps another chance developing here. And possession given away.
Please make your noise at the ticket office.
Kenny Tete. Pereira. Reed. This is lovely football, moving defenders around. Nicely played. Ronaldo. And that's a foul and a free kick. From a long way out, well, it looked promising, but it hasn't proved to be much of a test. Down nicely and in. Oh, super challenge. He stopped a certain goal. Can he finish? And they take the lead. Well, off the bench and onto the score sheet. What a way to make an impact. Ronaldo. A little careless there as the ball changes hands. Alex Iwobi moving the ball forward. What can they do with this? Goes for goal. Well, really confident to take the shot on from there. It wasn't that far away.
Well, he's had a look where the keeper was. There's no pressure on the ball and thought, why not? I'll have a go. That was close.
Still going here. Oh, that's blatant. The foul committed to stop the attack. Well, on a free kick, you've got to beat the wall. Find a way to that late leveller, and this could be it. Acres of space here. This was the equaliser, but he can't do anything to keep that one out. You can see the frustration, tinged with fury, at not getting more protection from those in front. A really good interception to take the ball. If they score from this, they'll surely win the game. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Beaten easily here. And the ball is won quite brilliantly.
Well, the atmosphere is loud in here. The fans are doing all they can to urge the team on. They should be winning this.
Chance to cross here. Well, he's lost the ball, and any chance has gone. And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two sides, and the points shared. Sue, what did you make of the home performance?